Essential understanding. I can explain why two fractions are equivalent even though the numerators and denominators are different. In this lesson, we will use division to find equivalent fractions in simplest form. Look at the models below. Why is the model 2/3 considered the simplest form? What if the numerator and denominator have more than one common factor? The first step when trying to simplify a fraction is to list all factors of the numerator and denominator. The factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4, 8. The factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. The next step is finding the common factors of 8 and 12. Dividing by the first factor will give you an equivalent fraction, but not in simplest form. Eight twelfths divided by 2/2 or 2/2 equals 4/6. The model below represents 4/6, which is an equivalent fraction but not in simplest form. Let's take a look at the largest factor of the two common factors. The greatest common factor, or GCF, is 4. Dividing by the greatest common factor of 4 would give you the... Let's take a look. 8 twelfths divided by 4/4, or 4/4, equals 2/3. Therefore, 2/3 is in simplest form. In order to find an equivalent fraction in its simplest form, smallest amount of parts, but in a bigger size, you need to find the greatest common factor, or GCF. Let's take a look at how we can simplify 12/16. List the factors of 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. List the factors of 16, 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. The common factors are 2 and 4. Therefore, the GCF is 4. Now divide the numerator and the denominator by the GCF. 12/16 divided by 4/4, or 4/4, equals 3/4. Which is in its simplest form.